All right, everybody, here we go. This is Leaf Ultimate Hockey number 38. Filled up. Now I can't even say the joke. Now I gotta do it again. So Lars will be back on Tuesday for you guys. There's the next Leaf Ultimate Hockey for Lars on Tuesday. Number 39, which is in the store now. Good luck. 3 times. 3 times. So we should have 30 now. 1. Yep. 2. And 3. Jeremiah up top. Jeremiah below. David H. needs, hopefully. All right, hopefully we get some sick hits. 1, 2, and 3 on the teams. Colorado Avalanche up top and the Edmonton Oilers at the bottom. So here you go. Jeremiah, you got the Avalanche and Lightning. J-Mac, you got the Sabres. David H., you got the Coyotes. J-Mac, you got the Panthers, Sharks, and Senators. TJ, you got the Penguins. J-Mac, you got the Leafs. TJ, you got the Canadiens. Victor, you got the Canucks. J-Mac, you got the Hurricanes. Platypus 420, you got the Flames. Rick, you got the Ducks. J-Mac, you got the Capitals. Rick, you got the Islanders. Victor, you got the Blues. J-Mac, you got the Rangers, Kings, and Jets. Rick, you got the Devils and Blue Jackets. David H., you got the Predators. J-Mac, you got the Flyers. Jeremiah, you got the Blackhawks. J-Mac, you got the Bruins. Jeremiah, you got the Wild. Brian, you got the Stars. And Jeremiah, you got the Red Wings and Oilers. Any trades? Any trades on this one, guys? If not, we'll get right into it. Let me know if you guys want to trade. And I can't really give hockey advice because I don't know too much about hockey, to be honest. So we're going on hockeyreference.com. It goes to the team to play for longest, by the way. Unless it says the city on the card, which they usually don't. But if they do, then it goes to that team. But here we go. Let's get started. Hockeyreference.com. I like these cards. They're already magnetic. So here you go. Good luck, everybody. Show your teams once more. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 on the bottom, 4 on top. 1. Doing the bottom box. So these 3 will be put right to the side there. Good luck, everybody. Let's see what we got. Leaf Ultimate Hockey. So yeah, Lars is back on Tuesday. So come check him out Tuesday at breakers.tv /Jaspy's Hockeyland. Here we go. First card up. Let me actually get my stand. Do I still have that? Oh, well. First card up is a dual jersey. Jack Eichel and Mario Lemieux. 6 out of 8. So we already know Eichel. He's current. That's Buffalo Sabres. That's J-Mac. And Lemieux's got to be Penguins, right? I don't even think he played anywhere else. I'll make sure just because I like to double check. Yep, Penguins. So that would be random. 6 out of 8. Dual jersey. Nice. So the Sabres is J-Mac. The Penguins is TJ. We got a triple. Nicholas Lidstrom, Brendan Shanahan, and Sergei Fedorov. 2 out of 8. Triple jersey. Let's see this one. So Lidstrom, I think we looked him up earlier. He was Detroit. Yep. Lidstrom is Detroit. Shanahan is Detroit. And Sergei Fedorov is Detroit. Yeah, just want to make sure. So all those go to the Detroit Red Wings and Jeremiah. And then we got a dual auto 101 printing plate, Tony Esposito and Glenn Hall. 1 of 1 dual auto printing plate. Wow. That is nice. Esposito. Let's see where Esposito is. Tony Esposito. Why is it loading? Blackhawks. And is Glenn Hall Blackhawks too? No. Oh, yeah, he is. Blackhawks. Wow. Nice hit for the Blackhawks. Going out to Jeremiah. Yeah. Nice box right there. Box number 2. Good luck. Wow. Triple auto. Tony Esposito, Blackhawks. Glenn Hall, Blackhawks. And Ed Belfour, 5 out of 12. Triple signature. Is Belfour Hawks too? Wow. That's crazy. And in the same box. Yep, Chicago. Jeremiah. Wow. Triple auto. That's pretty sweet. We got an autograph. 24 out of 30. Emile Francis. Emile Francis auto. No clue on this one. Guessing it's one of the original teams. 1947. Goes to the Rangers. And that is J-Mac. That one. And the final hit of the break. Good luck. It is Maurice Richard. Quad relic 9 out of 12. Skate. Maurice Richard. Another old school. Maurice Richard. 1943. Goes to 1943 to 1960. Montreal. TJ. Nice hit. 9 out of 12. Quad relic. So there you go. That was Ultimate Hockey. We got one random to do between the Sabres and the Pens. So let's see who wins this one. 6 out of 8. Lemieux and Eichel. Good luck, guys. Let me get the list randomizer and the dice roller. So we got Sabres on the left and the Penguins on the right. Good luck, guys. J-Mac and TJ. Why am I putting... Eichel Sabres, right? Why do I keep thinking Bruins for Eichel? 9 times. Sabres. Name on top wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The Sabres. Buffalo Sabres. And that is J-Mac. Congratulations. You are the winner. So thanks everyone for joining. Thanks for watching. That was Ultimate Hockey number 38.